Hi folks, got a brand new tyre on my car and I'll just show you because we got a puncture. Well, we ain't got a puncture, it's gone down a little bit, as you can see. It's gone down a bit, brand new tyre, but I don't know if you can see it, isn't now, just there. So I'm going to have to try and get that repaired. Well, I'll get off and see if we can get it repaired. I'll show you where we're going. Here we are, Graham's tyre. Has he got a... Yeah, Graham's tyres, says up there, doesn't it? And it got a straight in. They're repairing it now. So that's not bad, is it? 27 quid. Well worth it. Because it's a brand new tyre. So I'll soon whip that off. And he's busy away on it now. Great stuff. Right. So how we go on. And here we are back again. Couldn't really record in there because they had the radio on, music playing, copyright and all that. But would recommend Graham's Tyres at Sheffield there. Well, it's just at Halfway. But as we see, no. Excellent, no. Repaired. Just that. Took 15 minutes. Graham's Tyres. You'll be pleased to go there. They're pretty cheap. Thank you. Subscribe.